Today we will be discussing how to change the latch spring on your Series 9000 reel. You would want to change your latch spring as a part of basic maintenance, and you may also want to change the latch spring if your reel is not holding constant tension or no longer holding your hose at the desired length. To begin, remove all spring tension from your reel. Turn off the supply lines and remove all pressure from the hose. Be sure to follow all safety protocols. Next, place the reel on its side, spring case down. Using a 9/16 inch wrench and socket, remove bearing from frame. Then remove the 4 bolts connecting the side frame to the rest of the base. Pull the side frame off to expose the latch spring mechanism. Then, using a pair of needle nose pliers, remove the latch spring. Install the new latch spring by feeding one end into the latch pawl and placing the other end onto the shoulder screw. Reverse these steps to reassemble the reel, then retension your reel to desired pull force. Thank you for your support and joining us today at Reelcraft.